With the Tags feature in Content Settings, you can tag course content to allow learners to search and connect related content on your site. To tag content, you can select standard tags from the drop-down list in the Tag section. Alternatively, you can enter and add new tags. And to create new standard tags, you can click on Manage Standard Tags. This will allow you to create and save a new standard tag, which will then be available from the drop-down list when tagging course content. When you then click on Save and Display, the tags will be applied to your course material, and learners will be able to view all tags on their learner dashboard. Here, learners can click on a tag to view all content to which this tag has been applied. And if a learner has access to the tagged content, they will be able to easily navigate to and view this content.